We have this in something this good, like City.
Oh. Okay, so who almost made us get on the wrong tram again? Me. Definitely me. We got the secret menu, inspired by Banksy. Unwrap it and see what you got.
Well, I want to get a picture with it.
Oh yeah. Dumpster diving.
I'm not a Bloody Mary person, but that, that is amazing, amazing, amazing. What? It's the mezcal for me, I think.
Yeah.
Because I normally would never drink a Bloody Mary. That is. It's like, where did this whole ass balloon come from?
So we're getting another menu?
Yes, we're getting the second secret menu, which is going to be leading up to our third drink.
Ooh, a second secret menu.
Basically, can show you now. So there's two options for you. One is to play more interesting game, to choose a name which you like the most and choose it according to that.
Yeah, right there. Right there. Well, guess my question is, can I have Kayla?
Bourbon.
I can do that.
Okay. Use Cebu.
Cebu?
Use Cebu.
Cebu?
Cebu. Gin. So we have.
So my choices are Cone,
Home.
PWN, Cone,
Okay. Oh yeah. Phone.
Flow,
Flow.
Kayla.
Kayla. I think anonymous just means they. I think anonymous means they just like pick a drink for you.
So these two drinks are inspired from the hackers.
Yeah, just, oh, that slaps. Wow. Wow. That's the best thing I've had all trip.
We have this in something this good in my city.